How to get a refund from kiwi.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can get a refund from kiwi.com. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I do want to say before we begin, if you haven't signed up onto kiwi.com, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can sign up easily with that link. You'll also get some discount codes, some coupon codes, and some other benefits as well. So be sure to check out the link and sign up using the link in the description below. Now, moving on, first we need to go ahead and create a booking. All right, so here you can see we have our account. We've already logged in using my Google account, and now over here we just create a trip. All right, create a booking. So here you just select your ticket, your class, and your passengers and your baggage, and then location from where you're going to where. Either it's a one-way or round trip, multi-city, nomad, whatever you want. You can go with that. Select your departure date and then just simply hit the search button. All right, and here we have all of the flights. We can see right here we have the cheapest one, the fastest one, and the best one. You can sort them out however way you like it. If you want the cheapest one, you can go with that. The fastest one is going to be over here, and a best is going to be a bit of both, so not too cheap, not too fast, something in between. So you can go ahead and select whichever flight you want and you should be good to go. All right, so then all you got to do is just select the flight. All right, see over here, you can see right here they go with a little bit extra, go with the guaranteed one, or go with the basic plan. It totally depends on you. And here you can see cancel or rebook your trip depends on airline rules. This is very important. And here, flight cancel or misconnection, limited Kiwi protection, and cancel or rebook trip depends on airline. So keep that in mind. If you go with this one, if the flight is canceled or missed, Kiwi will protect you. It'll give you a different flight, or you can go ahead and check this out. If the airline causes a misconnection or cancellation, will instantly send you kiwi.com credit for a replacement flight with an arrival time closest to your original one, so which is pretty cool. So if you want, you can go ahead and spend the extra $100 and you should be good to go. But for now, we're going to click on continue, and then you can go ahead and basically get the plan. You are good to go. Pay him, and now your flight is ready. Now, as I said before, ultimately it does depend on the airline whether or not your flight can be canceled or not, and there is also a strict time limit as to when your flight is going to be canceled. So you're going to come over here onto my account, and then here underneath my trips, here you're going to find your trips, and then you're going to click on that trip, and it'll give you a couple of different options. Now, since I don't have a trip, I'm going to use one of these screenshots over here. So here you can see these are the it's going to look something like this. You're going to select the trip, and then it's going to give you this account. So you could go with choose assisted funds or refund with kiwi.com, and basically you're good to go. Right, it's going to take some time, but over here some flights are going to have different times. Some flights are going to be immediate, some flights are going to take some time. But yeah, once you click on the button, you should be good to go, and your flight will be refunded. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you get a refund from kiwi.com. And thank you guys for watching, and be sure to check out the link in the description below to sign up onto kiwi.com and get more benefits from Kiwi. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.